Some things in life are just made to go together. Peanut butter and jelly, rock and roll, the sun and the moon. These things got Blake Sanders, the owner of KS Services, thinking, what can we pair with our superior heating and air service to make our customers even happier? Plumbing Experts by KS Services was born. So the next time you have a clogged line, leaky faucet, or water running all through the house, know there's a reputable company out there on call just a click away. Call KS.com, your trusted source for heating and cooling and now plumbing.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Wednesday, the 8th of May. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather a little unsettled tomorrow afternoon through the weekend, but the rain won't be continuous and the odds of organized severe weather not all that high. Let's check it out. There's the upper air look based on the 12Z data this morning. Got a big trough in the western states. Around here, a field of cumulus clouds. The sky is mostly sunny for Alabama and only a few very small showers to be found, most of those down around Montgomery. Those are drifting northward, and most locations will stay dry this evening. And look at Tuscaloosa, the big 9-0, 90 degrees there. Mid-80s elsewhere. Birmingham and Anniston 85, Gadsden 86. Around the nation, noticeably colder back in the northern states. They've got 40s, 50s, and 60s there. But around here, the warmth will stay in place. We'll be in the low to mid-80s tomorrow and Friday, probably upper 70s this weekend. To the west of the state, flash flood watches for much of Arkansas and parts of some of the adjacent states, and also for parts of Missouri and Kansas. We note a tornado watch in effect until 11 o'clock Central Time tonight for parts of Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. This includes places like Shreveport, Louisiana, and College Station, Texas. There's the severe weather risk for the rest of today and tonight. We've got the standard slight risk for East Texas, North Louisiana, much of Arkansas. And then tomorrow, a broad risk of severe storms from the western Gulf Coast region up to the Ohio River. The main threat of severe weather west of this state. You've got that standard slight risk for much of Mississippi and Alabama, just a low-end marginal risk. The area is in darker green there, and there could be a few storms with small hail, gusty winds, but the overall threat is fairly low for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, and we'll talk more about this in a moment. And on day 3, which is Friday, marginal risk for the western Gulf Coast region and northeast of Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Bigger totals west of here. In Alabama, pretty good numbers for the north. This is suggesting around 3 inches of rain possible for the northern half of the state, under 1 inch down to the south, and this is valid through Wednesday morning of next week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. And you can see broad troughing in the west, still a ridge over the northeast United States, and a surface low is over Lake Michigan. North of Grand Rapids, Michigan, and there's a trailing cold front down through Arkansas and southeastern Texas. And showers and storms will likely enter the state. Let's go to the high-resolution modeling. This is the 3-kilometer NAM, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1. And you can see a few bands of showers, maybe some thunderstorms across the northern part of the state. 9 o'clock tomorrow night, a few scattered storms about, but really nothing widespread. These high-resolution, convective allowing models have not been showing that much rain, but certainly will have a chance of showers and storms. And the main dynamic support will be north of here. The shear values are none, unidirectional, so tornadoes not a problem. But again, some of the heavier storms could produce some small hail and gusty winds tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Now, Friday, the front stalls out, and that's going to keep the weather unsettled. Friday will be a cloudy day with occasional showers, maybe some thunder. But again, you go to the high-res modeling here. This is 5 o'clock Friday afternoon. The rain not that widespread. So understand it's not going to rain all day Friday, but it certainly could rain at times. Maybe some thunder. We don't expect any severe weather. And that's the idea for the weekend with this front. This is Saturday. Surface boundary draped across the state, mostly cloudy. Occasional showers, maybe some thunder, but it will not rain all day. I'd say the high will be in the upper 70s. And really the same thing on Sunday, and if anything, the coverage might be a little higher Sunday afternoon and Sunday night as a wave comes in from the west, an upper trough. Again, I don't think we'll have any severe weather, highs upper 70s. And rain amounts between tomorrow and Sunday will be, I think, for most places in the 2 and 3 inch range. Pretty good rain event for the state. And then Monday, we all go back to work and the weather dries out. The front gets a good southward push. Monday should be partly sunny, the high around 80. Tuesday looking dry, and this is a week from today, Wednesday the 15th. Broad troughing to the west and showers and storms on this run, mainly over southwest Alabama, but most other runs have shown rain statewide. We'll mention a chance of showers and storms statewide. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 18th. Big upper high sitting on top of Cleveland, nosing up into eastern Canada, and a big cold trough in the western states. We're kind of underneath all of that, and this is suggesting maybe a few showers or storms around, maybe not too organized. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble. Really, today should be the warmest day of the next 10 days. In fact, for the weekend and a decent part of next week, highs could stay under 80, which is below average for this time of the year. But then those mid-80s come back toward the latter part of this month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.